Let F be a force acting on a particle having position vector r. Let torque be the tau be the torque of this force about the origin. Then, so now in this question, there is a force F which is acting on a particle having position vector r. Okay, so suppose there is a body and there is a force and position vector is r, let's say something like that. This is a point of application, so this will be position vector r. This is the line of action of force. Now they are giving some choices. So first choice they say r dot tau will be equal to 0. So let's verify it. So we know that r dot this tau will be r cross f, right? Now we know that suppose if there are two vectors in a plane, okay, so third vector, suppose there are two vectors, vector A and vector B, and if vector A cross B which gives a vector C, for example, okay, definitely this vector C will be the perpendicular in the direction of those two vectors A and B. So definitely r cross f, or means tau vector, will be perpendicular to r. So obviously dot product of those perpendicular will be 0, because cos theta will become cos 90 here, and which will give eventually 0. Okay, so I could have written is r tau cos 0. So because of this cos 0, overall answer will be 0. So yes, this is fine. Now f dot tau is equal to 0. Again, you know that f and tau, mod of f mod of tau into cos of theta, and again with between f and tau, obviously angle will be again 90 degrees. That means this will be again 0. So yes, this is fine. So again, this option has to be correct one. First option has to be correct one. This is your answer. So eventually you are lucky, you got this answer. But again, if you see other choices, so somebody says r dot tau 0, but f dot tau not equal to 0, that cannot be true. Similarly 3 and 4 are not right. So option 1 is the only right choice. Okay.